Hello there, and welcome to the Thomas More University Phishing Training. Phishing is a form of fraud in which an attacker masquerades as a reputable entity or person in email or other communication channels. The attacker uses phishing emails to distribute malicious links or attachments that can perform a variety of functions, including the extraction of login credentials or account information from victims. Phishing is popular with cybercriminals, as it is far easier to trick someone into clicking a malicious link in a seemingly legitimate phishing email than trying to break through a computer's defenses. Here are some quick tips on what you can look for in an email that may be trying to scam you. There could be spelling errors, requests for personal information, or a hyperlink that'll take you to a URL that is actually not what you want to go to. Here is an example of a phishing email. The email is not legitimate and is not our official Thomas More University email. There are links in the email, and you can hover over them to make sure that they are taking you to the destination that you want to go. There is also a threat to deactivate your account if you do not click on the link, which may scare people into clicking the link itself. Here is an example of a phishing email that has happened at Thomas More University. So the email says it is from John Smith, even though the email is not John Smith. It does call for an immediate action that says, I have an assignment I need you to do for me. And there's also improper grammar, like the I is not capitalized. Here is another example of a phishing email that has happened at Thomas More, where an individual has asked another person to buy them gift cards and send them the codes, which you should never do and should never give anyone that kind of information over email. It is your responsibility to protect your account. You and only you can protect your account. Be the grammar police and keep an eye out. Don't get hooked or be a victim of a phishing email. Make sure you know what you are clicking on. Think before you click. Am I expecting this email? Do I know this sender? Are there any suspicious links? Here are some examples of what the topics of a phishing email could be. It could be about a data breach, a delivery, an IT reminder for your password to reset, or anything of the sort. There are many ways that people can try to scam you. So how can you protect yourself? Refuse the bait. If you do not know the person, then use your quick tips. Think before you click. Verify the website. Never give out personal information. Do not click on pop-ups or links. Ask yourself, am I expecting this message? Is this message from someone I know? Does the email address match the name of the sender? Does the message sound like it's coming from the sender? So for your passwords, you should not use the same password for multiple accounts/websites. You should not tell anyone your password. Do not write down your password and keep it by your computer. Your password should be easy to remember but hard to guess, long and hard to decrypt, and changed on a regular basis. It should also have multiple characters, including special characters. Use a password manager to keep your passwords secure, like KeePass or 1Password. Here's a brief comic to explain how even if you have a more complex password than somebody, their password may be even more secure than yours because of the randomness and the length of it. So what should you do if you think you are a victim of a phishing email? Don't panic, we can help you. Contact the IT help desk. You can contact the help desk by going to helpdesk.thomasmore.edu. You can also call 859-344-3646. You could also email helpdesk@thomasmore.edu or stopping by the help desk inside the computer center, which is in the lower level of the main administration building.